Yan, good morning everyone, magandang umaga po. Welcome to the Daily Grind. Kahapon, somehow we were expecting the market to slow down because of the impending kaguluhan sa international uh, sa mundo, 'di ba? But somehow, 4 pesos na lang at magbe-breakout na si PSEi. Very strong resistance right there at 8,000. Hindi natin ma-break. But hopefully, we still can break it. Kahapon, si Pico at si Shell umakyat dahil sa pagtataas ng gas, di ba? We'll talk about that in a while. Also, in a while, we are gonna be awarding the yung promotion natin. We are gonna pick the first 4 winners of our promotion this day. And pakita po natin sa inyo while we randomize the promotion winners. Okay? I have a few picks for today, and if you have any question, just post it on the comments down below. If you have any recommendations or anything, just post it there para masagot po natin. Alright, so I'll go to the comments. I think today is gonna be a short episode lang naman. Air Plata, good morning. Sir Lloyd, greetings from Vancouver, Canada. Good morning. Ma'am Apple and Laika, thank you so much. So nga pala guys, sige, mamaya ko na i-shoutout once the audiences has picked up. Tommy Moncantano Escobedo, good morning po coach sa lahat ng viewers. RLC at FB po. Alright, RLC and FB. We're gonna cover that. Let me just turn this down really quick. Alright, okay lang naman ng audio, diba? Is the audio okay? I think so. Okay, we're good to go. Okay, PSEi, the chart. Ayun, kanina nagka-problema si Instagram siya. Akala ko hindi ako makapag-daily grind dahil dito. So yes, PSEi, ayan po, makikita ninyo, we are playing at the very resistance na ginawa the other day and we're still up there. MA20 bounce, so very solid bounce for PSEi, and we closed at 7966. So that's very good. Right, especially sa mga nagbobodega. If it breaks out, usually kasi pag nagbe-break out ang stock or a chart, people start buying it, right? Because we are on a new support level. So usually nagsa-surge up once we do a breakout. So hopefully we can do a breakout and hopefully market surges up after that. We're expecting for it to surge up this late quarter of the year because of the very good performances ng mga companies dito sa Pilipinas, especially the very low very low inflation for August, diba? So that should be a very good up for the market. Plus we have impending tariff cuts. So yeah, everything should be okay for the PSEi the next coming days. Right, so nangyari kay PSEi, nahirapan nung nag-increase talaga ng ng taxes, diba? And anyways, Air Plata, good morning from Vancouver, Canada. Tommy Montano Escobedo, ito yung request niya. RLC and FB. FB is in my recommendations for today. Si RLC, not quite. Kasi nasa resistance tayo naglalaro. We have a strong resistance for our RLC here. But I did recommend RLC. I think here, yeah, dito ko na-recommend si RLC a few days back. August, no. Here, around here. Na-recommend ko si RLC around this level. And we're playing at resistance. Hopefully, we can do a breakout. Medyo challenging siya ngayon kasi hindi natin alam kung magbe-breakout yan. Right? So, that's why it's not in my recommendations lately. FB naman, si FB, yes, I'm recommending FB for today. So, that support did hold up at nag-breakout sa mini resistance niya there. So, that's a very good sign. That's why I'm recommending FB for today. Ben Moneda, good morning, sir. Insights kay Tech, please. Let's check out Tech. Salamat, sir. You're welcome. Wala pa tayong buy signal for Tech. Let's see if it will go green. If that goes green, that is a confirmation buy. That is gonna be a divergence signal for a buy for Tech. So tingnan natin. Okay, abangan lang natin ang green. Nag-aabang tayo ng bounce ni green. STV Trader, good morning, sir. ISM and IRC. ATN, IRC is in one of my recommendations for today, so daanan natin yan mamaya. But anyways, ISM yun. Ayun yung pullback ni ISM. Let's wait for it to bounce before we can say it's a buy already for ISM. Wala pa tayong bounce as of the moment. Okay, for those nagte-trade kay ISM, it's not a buy yet. IRC naman, si IRC daanan natin yan later. And ATN, si ATN, recommendation ko kay ATN, just keep on bodega kay ATN. Right, so we have a problem on the price action. We are seeing a lower high right here. So baka bumaba ulit si ATN after a strong rally. So nagsa-sideways siya ngayon. But nag-confirm naman siya ng support. So there was buying at this support level at nag-recover kaagad. Let's see if this continues. If ever this goes green today, then that's your buy right there kasi continuation yan ng bounce from the support si ATN. Kay Air Plata, sir, thank you nung nirecommend nyo si Shell pumasok. Yes, so nga pala, I recommended Shell, SHLPH, the past few days, right here, diba, after 4 green marks, and there it is. That's already price range from this part, umabot na 11% si Shell. So, congratulations. Sinuwerte rin tayo dito because of sa yung pag-increase ng price ni oil. So, this should help Shell go up at the very least, diba? Makabawi naman yung mga naipit kay Shell PH tsaka kay PCOR. Congratulations, Air Plata. Ako po, TY ulit, God bless. You're welcome. Sir, pasilip si Adobe. Let's open the Adobe. Nga pala guys, I uploaded a video last night. It's titled what are the parameters you should check when you look for a person to copy trade. Makikita nyo po doon. That's a very helpful video for those who want to start copy trading para malaman nyo po paano maghanap ng investors to copy trade. Okay? Let's continue. Asan ako? Nawala ako. Yun, si Adobe pala. Let's open the chart of Adobe. Oh, sorry. Wrong. ADB. Nga pala. ADBE. Ayun, ADBE. Right. So, Adobe. Uy, very good bounce for Adobe. It will show us earnings anytime soon. I think Adobe will be doing good in the earnings. It has been pretty consistent in gaining naman. So, I think Adobe is gonna show us solid numbers again today. That should help Adobe go up. So, if you're betting on good numbers, they should go up. If this right here is gonna be positive, that should help Adobe go up again. So, this is a good find, AR. Getting better. Guys, international market, trade with eToro. You can trade with eToro in the international market. Alam ko po, si Adobe, $282 per stock. That's the problem. If you enroll with a broker, kailangan may $282 ka para makabili ka ng isang stock ni Adobe. But through eToro kasi, we are into CFD, meaning we are allowed to buy a portion of the stock, right? So, if you can already buy this with just $200 if you want to invest in Adobe yourselves. Diba? So, that's the beauty of CFD. May disadvantages siya, but I look into the good side more when it comes to these things. Diba? Create an eToro account using my link. Gamitin niyo po yung link ko. Pag nag-fund po kayo this September, you will be able to join the ongoing promotion that we have. Pag nag-fund po kayo ng eToro ninyo this September, andyan po sa video description, meron po diyang link to register for the promotion. We are gonna be giving 2,500 each to 8 winners for September sa mga gumawa ng account using my link and have funded this September. Okay? So if you funded this September for the first time, if you funded it for the first time, so we're gonna be giving, you can register already. You're gonna be qualified. And isa po dyan sa qualification, before we give out the winnings, you have to share the video, yung seminar video natin about the basics, because we need you to help us in spreading out the good news about the stock market. Diba? So, yan. Adobe, this is a buy for me. This is gonna be very good. Lalo na palapit na yung earnings ni Adobe. I think it's gonna give us good numbers. Sel Malyari, good morning po. Good morning din. Francis Fahilan, good morning. Erickson, pa-shout out sa maganda kong asawa na si Michelle Ann. Good morning, Erickson and Michelle. Chris Canilan, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning din, Erickson. PPG Tech, Alco, Aba, Lodi, Thanks. All right, let's check out the charts of the requests. Tech, si Tech, let's see. Yan, nasa support pa si Tech. Nag-aantay pa tayo ng bounce. Nadaanan na pala natin yan kanina. Alco, si Alco naman. Ito, nirecommend ko to si Alco sa support niya. Ang bagal ng Instagrams ngayon. Ayan. So, yeah. Yes, si Alco. So far, so good. The support is still holding. Pag nag-green yan today, that's a buy. That's still the buy area of Alco. And if you notice, RSI is starting to go up already, meaning this support is getting healthier and healthier. So that's a possible reversal right there. Tapos na yung downtrend niya, pinakita niya noon. And there it is. We are at a reversal level. Most probably, magsa-sideways yan. It's doing sideways right now. And then, after sideways, hopefully mag-akit na. But we enter on a stabilization area, especially for these good companies. Next. PPG Tech, Alco, ABA. And si ABA naman, bagal ni Instagrams. Grabe, kanina pa to eh. Ayaw mag-load kanina. Akala ko hindi tayo makakapag-daily grind kasi down ang Instagrams. Ay. It's 8:30. If we're gonna be delayed like this, unahin ko na lang po yung I'll go back to your comments. Unahin ko na lang muna yung recommendations ko for today. Before we go to the recommendations, let's give it time to let's give it time to let's give it time to load up. So let's go to the promotion awarding muna. All right? Again, we had a promotion for September and it's still ongoing, okay? The promotion is if you create an eToro account, use my link. Andyan po yung link sa video description kung gusto niyo po mag-join us in trading the international market. So create an eToro, it's gonna be free. Once you create an eToro account using my link, if mag-load up po kayo, meaning if you're gonna fund your eToro account, the minimum funding initial is $200. If you are going to be funding your eToro account, you can qualify for the promotion. Mag-register lang po kayo. Diyan po, may promotion registration link po sa video description. And then, there it is. For the first 2 weeks of September, here are our registrants. We have 15 responses. Here are the names. I will be first kasi first two winners natin are so yung mga nag-fund. Yung mga nag-fund. All right, let me just open this one right here. Yung mga unang nag-fund ng accounts nila. So we have entries here. We have already picked those who have created the account and pinakaunang nag-fund. Okay, and let me get the list really quick. Right, sa mga una nag-fund, dalawa po tayo. We have BD Dlareg. This is from Gerald Benaventura. Right? So, he is the first one to have funded the account. And, so, Gerald Benaventura, you are our first winner of 2,500. We are going to be sending you a message within today. And then, meron pa akong vine-verify. Si Joseph Enriquez is our second winner. Yan. So, si Joseph Enriquez is our second winner. So, Gerald Benaventura, I'm gonna be posting the names later on. Okay, so here are the registrants for this promotion. There are 15. I'm gonna write them down on our randomizer. Sorry, hinanda ko na yun eh. Where is it? There it is. So, yeah. So, here are the 15 winners. 15 registrants and we're gonna randomize it. So sino ang first and second will be the winners if ever hindi po ko pa nabanggit yung pangalan. So, here we go. And let's randomize it. And there it goes. So, si Joseph Enriquez already won kanina. So, hindi na siya kasali. Si Pio Campanero and next is Sherry Gutierrez. So, I'm gonna do a screenshot of this and then verify verify their accounts and if nakapag-fund na ba talaga sila, and we're gonna be contacting you. So again, the winners are Gerard Benaventura, Joseph Enriquez, Pio Campanero, and Sherry Gutierrez. You guys will most probably our first batches of winners. And next week, we will have 2 winners of 2,500 each ulit. Okay? So load up, yung mga nakapag-load na for the first 2 weeks are still in the game, and then yung mga maglo-load this week, magpa-fund this week, register po kayo so that you can join the promotion already again. So that's 4 winners for today. That's 10,000 pesos we are giving out para ilagay niyo po sa account niyo. Huwag niyo po sasayangin, right? These are extra funds that you have won. Invest them, right? Ito naman pera hindi nyo kailangan na panalunan nyo lang. So, best to invest these kinds of money that you will get. Okay, so now we are gonna go to my picks for today. Picks ko po for today are here. Unahin ko lang picks ko, guys, kasi medyo mabagal si Investorgrams. So, I'm gonna put this on the comments. Hanapin ko lang ulit yung chat natin. So, here are my picks for today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lang. So, madali lang piliin. It's up to you. Sino pipiliin nyo. But these are very good companies I'm recommending. Number 1 is FB. So, Facebook tuloy. San Miguel Corporation, food and beverages nila. We just did a breakout last Friday. Yesterday. And that's a buy entry for me. Breakout strategy, or even you can use the secondary support, which is right here. So, very safe play right here for FB. I am recommending FB for today. Hindi po guarantee yan na aakyat. If ever mag-fail po yan, please have an exit strategy. Okay? Always have an exit strategy when trading. Okay, next is FB is food. Yan, si food is playing. Ayan, ayaw na naman mag-load ng mga chart. Alright. I think you're gonna, Sir Lloyd, good morning, and insights po kay Digital Ally, DGLY, International Market, DGLY. Unahin lang natin to, DGLY, Uy, ito, kaka-pullback lang. Very good price action for DGLY. DGLY has been doing well the past quarters. Earnings for second quarter is positive 95%. That's a very big plus, and we had the volume spike after that. That's a very good. This stock is on an uptrend, right? You can follow the trend here. Hindi pa naman siya overbought, so it's still okay to buy this. This is good find. This is from Ido Almo. Insights kay BPI Qatar. Sir Lloyd, good morning from Qatar. Good morning. Alright, nga pala guys, we have plans to go to, hindi North Korea. North Korea na sa isip ko. South Korea. This October, right? Last week of October. May nag-invite po sa atin. Hopefully, we can open it to everyone. I'll post more about it if ever pwede. Okay? I'm gonna be there. I'm excited. In-invite po tayo ng isang investment group there. And we're gonna be talking more about investments and specifically stock market. Okay? Hanap pa ako ng international na mga Ayaw mag-load talaga. Pasensya na, guys. But if you have your charts on your own there, please check these charts out. I think I'm gonna be cutting the daily grind short. These are my recommendations for today. Food FB, IRC, JFC, MWC, and SMPH. If you're gonna ask me ano ang top 3 ko dyan, that is gonna be FB, MWC, and SMPH. Food, IRC, and JFC are still okay rin naman. Pambodega naman yan. But I think these have bottomed out already. FB, MWC, and SMPH. Helpful ba kung may 10 to 15 years historical data for support and resistance? Yes, that's a very helpful data. This is a question from Mark Callejo. Helpful ba kung may 10 to 15 years historical data ka for support and resistance? If it's a long time support and the company's been doing well, yun na nga impression niya 15 years ago and it's been doing well. If it's still at support, that's gonna be a very good support to buy. Jovi Tanel, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pwede ba malaman ang mga topic points sa seminar September 29? I'm going to the event. Oy, very good question. Nakalimutan ko sabihin yan. Okay, so go to my Facebook page. If you go to my Facebook page, nakapost po yan, yung event, di ba? Pinakauna po yan, nakapin pa yan sa pinakataas ang event. If you go to the event, on my Facebook page, and then go to the events. So, plano mag-join sa September 29. Click the event right here. Then, once you click on the event, go down to the description. Andyan po lahat. Even download the course outline. The course outline is also here. So, dyan po pag-uusapan po natin ang topics. Andyan po ang topics. Mada-download nyo po yan. Naka-slideshow po yan. And those are the contents of the seminar. So, you're gonna see there. The seminar is on September 29. Doon po tayo sa Ascot Hotel. So, very good venue for you guys. And snacks will be served only 500 pesos. 500 pesos lang po. Halos libre na po yan. Okay? So, yeah. I hope I can see you there on September 29. This seminar is best for those newbies, yung kakasimula pa lang. Right? So, please share the event. Yung mga kakasimula pa lang sa stock market, who already understands the stock market but do not know how to trade yet. Everything you need to understand before starting to do trading is here. Okay? I'm gonna teach you how to trade. And then, we have a seminar for day trading if you're already good at position trading, because position trading po ituturo ko sa inyo dito. If you're already good at position trading and you want to up your skills to day trading, meron tayong free seminars dyan. If you want a more comprehensive seminar, go to the, Team eToro Pilipinas, join the group, and then meron po kaming update na meron tayong day trading class. We have free sessions. But kung gusto niyo po systematic talaga na step by step talaga, you can avail of the seminar also. Let's see if ever nag-open na ang chart. Ayaw talaga si food. Yeah, Investograms is down. So I don't have any other charting tool na may tools tayo. So we'll have to stop there. Pasensya na talaga. This is how helpful Investogram is for us. Sir, would it be better to invest kay SMPH as compared to Axelum? SMPH, I'd say yes, because SMPH, mas sure ka sa tatakbuhan ni SMPH. Kasi if you wanna ask, if you can ask yourself, where do you think SM is going 10 years from now? Right? Let's say long-term ka. Where is SM going 10 years from now? Is it gonna do well? Or malulugi ba si SMPH? I don't think so, especially SMPH is planning to go onto online shopping also. That's gonna up the sales of SMPH. They're doing well right now. And how much more if mag-online shopping pa sila. So, I think SMPH is a very good place to invest in. Kay Axelum, I discussed about that on one of my episodes. What should be your purpose in buying the IPO of Axelum? Your purpose should be helping the company, helping the industry, especially agriculture industry ng Pilipinas. If you wanna help the company, yeah, you can invest in them. Secondary purpose na natin yung gains. I think they're gonna do well also, but they need our help. That's one of the purpose of the IPO. So if you want to help the company, if you want to help the agriculture sector of the country, you can invest there. So that's one way. Also, another way is to help the agriculture department of the Philippines. I want to invite you to like our page, mangingisda.org, mangingisda.org. So mga hindi pa alam what mangingisda.org is, it's a this is our fundraising firm department for our organization in Mindanao. Okay? Ang mangyayari po dito is we have updates on the investments. So we have a video here to explain to you what the process is, and then you can invest in the fishermen out here. We have updates, kaka-update lang po namin last month, and then we're gonna go there in October also to show you the fishes. Ayan po, ito yung kakaano pa lang nung August, and then by October, that's the midway point to harvest. So kakamustahin po natin yung isda kung gaano nakalaki. Ito yung mga bangus. So what you do here is you buy a slot, meaning yung portion po ng cages, meaning that's 15,000. That's 15. May open calculator. That's 15,000 fishes, bangus there, and bibili lang kayo ng divided by 100. Right, so per unit is 150 fishes na kami na po mag-aalaga, and then kami na po magbebenta, and then you get returns. So yung promise po namin for this year what is 20% of of your investments. And so far so good. Maganda naman ang takbo ng fishes still. So we should be able to deliver that for the annual. And as of the moment lang, it's closed pa yung investments. Ito yung pag-boost namin. Closed pa yung investments kasi puno pa yung cages. We are adding cages this January. So save up po, 6,500 lang po yung per unit. Yun yung 150 fishes, bangus po yan. So please check it out. Follow our page para ma-updated po kayo kung mag-open na kami ng bagong units for you guys. So this is one of the agriculture. Ito yung mga mangingisda na involved sa mangingisda.org. Sa Mindanao po yan. Watch the video to know more about our project. Okay naman, investors are tied under the window or refresh the page po. Alright, let's check it out para makover natin. Let's refresh the page. Daanan ko na lang yung pics ko, okay? Food. What's the wrong? Ayan, okay na. Thank you for the recommendation. Okay, so kanina si food. Ayun, si food. So let's cover it. This has been a very strong support for food kasi. Right, so we have good price action right here. I'm recommending food because so far compared to last year, medyo laki yung negative niya because last year they were very strong, but overall it's still a very good company. We have good support right here, first and second dip of the support and starting to go up already. You can test out this support already for food, okay? Next kay food is IRC, recommending IRC for today kasi pa-breakout na siya. Actually, this is already good nag-breakout na to for this pattern and it's starting to go up already. So price action is already starting for IRC and pwede pang sakyan si IRC before siya makaakyat talaga. So I'm recommending IRC for today. JFC naman for today. Very good support and we have divergence on that support. So meaning this support is solid already. This might go down. We can't really tell because wala namang guarantee sa stocks. But so far as far as the chart goes, this is a good support to enter JFC. So this is the time to buy Jollibee and then just buy more if it goes further down kasi napakamura na niya as of the moment. MWC, recommending MWC for today. MWC. Good morning, sir, from Macau. May I know when you're going to Lopez Haina? Maybe I can visit as well. I'm going there in October, most probably first or third week of October. Pupunta tayo dyan. Right? I'm still plotting my schedule to go there. Half a day. So, taga Lopez Haina rin pala kayo. Andun kasi yung nasa Lopez Haina kasi sa Mindanao ang farm natin. So, if you wanna visit the farm, we're opening it to the investors sa mga pumasok na. MWC, ayan po. This is the second bottom of MWC and it's starting to go up already. Right? Very healthy bottom already. Umaakit na po yan and then there it is. Divergence, MWC all the way. This is a solid support to test out MWC. So, time to pick bottoms. Here it is. Lastly, sa SMPH, I'm recommending SMPH for today. We have divergence also habang pababa yung support, umaakit na siya. So, that's a good stop for SMPH. Time to bodega SMPH already. Okay. It's 8:47. Let me see if meron ba tayong ma-pick. Nawala na ako sa comments eh. Ayun, may question dito. Lodi, kailan ka gagawa ng video about MACD? I'll try to consider that this week, alright? I'm free this week, so I'm gonna be making videos. If napansin niyo, gumagawa ako ng video last night. Sige, gagawa ako ng video about MACD this week. Good morning, Nanette, Mil. Blessed Tuesday to everyone. Blessed Tuesday to you too. Sel Malyari, insights po kay MBT. Si MBT, GFC, Meg, MPI, thank you. So, MBT naman, still at the support right there. Even if pababa yung support, maakit naman yung RSI. So, we're starting to see the bottom of MBT already. Pwede na pong bodegahin yan sa MBT. So, it will need patience, especially if you're bottom picking. Hindi po agad-agad aakyat yan. It will take days for it to really fly. So, ayan po. JFC, we covered JFC already. Si Meg naman, Meg has good signals for Meg. Right? It's pwede pang pasukin si Meg. Maganda pa ito. We recommended Meg at this level and we're still playing at that level. So, pwede pa rin yan. And saka may magandang news si Meg, di ba? Sasama sila nila. Kakapost ko lang sa Billionaires Club nun. Sino nga ba yan? Let me open the post again. Sa Billionaires Club. Ayan, sila Meg, Jerry, and Mega World. Ayan, si Meg and Jerry pala. Mag-open sila ng development sa Cavite. Right? Cavite has been very booming the past few years. So, that's gonna be very good. Baka umakyat si Meg dahil dyan. Okay? Meg MPI. Si MPI, kamusta natin si MPI? Right, si MPI... MA20, let's see what will happen at MA20 kung pwede pa bang pasukin si MPI. Right now, I can't say. Wala tayong buy signals for MPI after yesterday. So, abang lang muna. Nanette Mill, Erickson, Lodi, and Aris de la Peña. Good morning, sir. Any thoughts po kay FNI? Nickel, more power, and God bless si FNI. Ayan na naman ang problema ni Investorgrams. Ayan. Si Nickel, so far, okay naman support niya. It's just that, for me, nakalimpad na si Nickel eh. This is enough of the growth of Nickel for me, actually. So, but if mag-uptrend siya because of that, that's already 105%. That's too much climb, okay? Kasi yung shortage sa shortage, napansin nyo, kina oil, nung nagka-ban kay, nagka-problema sa Middle East, binomba si oil, nag-stop si Saudi. Ang laki supply niyan, nawala. Pero ang tinubo ni oil was just around 20%, right? So this is exaggerated for me. For me, sobra naman itong akyat na ito. So that's why I'm not recommending these stocks if napapansin nyo anymore, because that's already way up there. Huwag na po kayo maiinggit dyan, right? It can still go up. You can watch it on the day. Pwede nyo momentum trade yan. There's a support right here. Just cut loss below that. But volatility, when volatility strikes, this is very volatile right now. Meaning kasi ng a volatile stock is, it can go down 10% before going up. So if yung cut loss ninyo is, and then pag umakyat yan, it's because it's volatile, pwede rin yung bumawi kaagad ng bonggang-bongga. Okay, that's the problem with volatility. If you set your cut loss here, masasayang lang ang pera ninyo, and then it will go up, nag-cut loss lang kayo para umakyat ulit yung presyo. If napapansin nyo, if naghahabol kayo ng mga stocks, kung kailan kayo nagbebenta, saka naman umakyat. Dahil yan sa volatility. That's the reason why eToro yesterday removed the cut loss of oil and gold because of the volatility. If mapapansin nyo po, si Bitcoin, ang cut loss ni Bitcoin, ang auto stop loss niya is 50% because of the volatility. It can drop and then just suddenly go up. So, masasayang lang yung cut loss ninyo if ganun. So, it's hard to trade these positions. That's why I don't trade stocks that are already up there. It's very volatile already. Mas maganda yung less volatile stocks kasi lesser ang chances na ma-hit yung cut loss ninyo. Tas cut loss, tas biglang lumipad naman. So, yan. That's my thoughts on FNI and Nickel. Masyado mataas na sila. Hello, Sir Lloyd from Kenji. Good morning. Okay pa rin ba pasukin si DNL and LHC? So, DNL, na-recommend ko yan a few days back and starting to go up na. Ayaw na naman mag-load ng chart natin. Hoo-hoo. Invalid symbol ang lumalabas. What's wrong, Investorgrams? Yung others ko naman, okay naman eh. This guy right here, let's say Amazon. Okay naman, naglo-load naman dito kaagad. With Investorgrams, really putol-putol yung connection natin sa kanila. Very disturbing when we're doing our live. Anyways, ayan, ayaw mag-load ng chart ko. DNL. Ayaw talaga. DNL and... Sino nga ba yung tanong mo kanina aside from DNL? LHC, medyo nakalipad na rin. Right, so I don't want to recommend LHC. As of the moment, let's wait for a good pullback for LHC. We recommended LHC sa supports niya. Then there it is. It's starting to go up. So this most probably will start an uptrend. Any pullback and bounce soon should be the best entry for LHC. Si DNL, medyo nakalipad na, pero pwede pang pasukin si DNL. Ido Almo, na cover na natin yan. Jade Sagon, insights po kay BPI. Yan. Bad juju ito sa Instagrams ngayon. Nakakasira ng mood. BPI, I don't want to recommend BPI. We're playing in, what do you call this at? Resistances. It's best to wait for it to do a breakout or maybe a pullback and bounce naman at the very least. Okay? That's the best entry points for BPI. It's not a buy right now because we're at resistance levels. Good morning from Qatar. Sir Lloyd from Bob Ryan. Good morning, Bob. How about Meg? Si Meg, we covered Meg already. Baka umakyat si Meg today because of the news na linabas nila. May bago silang project with Jerry. Ayan. Rolando, how about AGI? Thanks si AGI. Nirecommend ko yan noon sa support niya. Right here. So, lumipad na si AGI. Sorry. So, si AGI, dito natin recommend. Nakalipad na. We are seeing a resistance at this level. So, konting ingat lang muna. Maybe a breakout should be the best entry for AGI. Or if it goes back down to support. Medyo nakalipad na. Yun yung mahirap sa medyo naghahabol tayo sa taas. Hopefully, you are given an opportunity to buy lower for AGI, but right now medyo nasa taas na si AGI, so medyo high risk na yan. Youth Gravity Entertainment. Sir Lloyd, wala ka nag-forex? Hindi po ako nag-forex. Bakit? Because I have a different career. I am an educator for stocks and trading. Hindi ako nagpa-forex kasi forex demands time and you have to do day trading. I do not have time sadly for day trading. If ever trading lang ang career ko, I think I would have gone to day trading. But change of career tayo eh. We are more into financial educator na ngayon. So yeah, if you have time to do forex, I invite you to do forex. Day trading sa Billionaires Club, pinin ko po yan. You are in the Billionaires Club, I believe. If ever hindi pa kayo nakapag-join sa Billionaires Club, please join the group. Jet Villardo, my colleague here, a good friend of mine here in Cebu, is a day trader. Tagal na po siya nagde-day trade. He is sharing his day trading strategy here, and this is for free. If gusto niyo po mag-day trade, matuto mag-day trade, check out this video. Nakapin po yan. Pinakamataas po yan sa Billionaires Club. Right? So, yeah. You can do forex in eToro, by the way. So, if ever gusto niyo po mag-forex, you can go for dito sa trade markets. Click on trade markets and then go for currencies. And then, makikita niyo po dito ang mga available na mga currencies. Major currencies po ang available sa eToro if you wanna do forex. Abner Especio, good morning, sir. Pa-insights naman, Vita, Green, Now, and FNI. Hopefully, mag-load, ha? Vita. Ayan, so Vita, medyo nasa taas si Vita. Next pullback, meron tayong uptrend line dito. Just follow the uptrend line. Malapit na tayo sa uptrend line. So, that's for Vita. Green naman, grabe si Green, umakyat na naman. Right, so just follow the trend line if gusto niyo pa pong habulin si Green. Right, we discussed about Green when the divergence were starting already, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, may divergence na doon. And tuloy-tuloy, diba? Going against fundamentals, Green has been amazing. This is just purely technicals ang sinusunod natin dito. And it was good. Si Now naman, very shaky. It's already way up there. Napakamahal na ni Now for me. I can't recommend Now. FNI. Si FNI, still up there already. But again, I discussed earlier, that's already a very high climb already considering na yung shortage na on nickel is concerned. Hindi naman aabot ng ganun kataas naman. Daniel Abarcas, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Alibaba po. Si Baba naman, nag-fail ang breakout ni Baba eh, right? So, we are on a ascending triangle here. Best entry po kay Baba is on a breakout. I am shorting Baba. Baka bumaba pa because nag-resign na nga talaga yung CEO nila. So I think this is gonna drop. But if it does a breakout, magka-cut loss ako, and that's your entry point for Alibaba. Lan Feliciano, good morning Sir Lloyd. LJ, hi sa daughter ko si LJ. Good morning LJ. SMPH, Ali, RLC at Meg po. We covered most of them already. Tingnan natin si SMPH, Ali. Si Ali naman, kamustahin natin si Ali. Uy, si Ali, sustaining naman yung breakout niya. I'd say, yeah. Pwede nyo na itong pasukin si Ali. Best entry point is, alam nyo na po yan, MA20. Yan po yung paborito kong technical analysis for dito. And then RLC, we covered RLC and Meg already. Luweng, good morning. Brian Solier, good morning Sir Lloyd. Dry ships? Anong dry ships? Rob Legaspi, good morning Sir Lloyd. Kumusta? SMPH and Meg po, very good picks. Roblox and Minecraft All Gamer. Gabriel, Ali, SMPH, Meg, MPI, please sir. Uy, parehas kayo ng mga picks. So, yeah, Ali is good. SMPH is good sa picks mo. Meg is also good. Pwede pang bilhin si Meg. And MPI, I think si Meg aakyat ngayon. MPI, medyo shaky pa ang posisyon ni API. Joseph Tanael, yeah, we covered that already. Mark Aliao, helpful po ba? Yan, we covered that already. Sir, would it be better to invest? Nabasa natin yan kanina. Tommy Escobedo, good rin ba sa ICT for long term? Yes, it's a good company. I can recommend ICT for mid to long term. We recommended ICT here. Lumilipad na si ICT. Diba? So, that's good for ICT. Follow the trend. Use the MA20 as your entry point for ICT. John Vincent Pleto, okay naman Investograms. Ayan, thank you. Tommy, coach, try nyo po ang 2Trade Asia. If not mistaken, parang may chart din po siya. Yes, may chart doon. Kaso nga lang yung mga technical analysis ko, hindi ko na-set doon sa 2Trade Asia ko. Edward Vince, okay naman po Investa. Ayan, ni-refresh na natin. Insights for silver. Jail Villagarcia. So, silver. Sorry, wrong spelling. Silver tuloy. Silverio. Chart. So far, I think mukhang downtrend pa si silver, guys. After a very strong climb, masyado mataas na siya. I would be shorting this if I were you. Pwede ko to short 17 kasi downtrend pa siya after that. Abangan ulit natin yan sa baba. Anyways, ang ganda sa commodity, sideways lang yan sila. Down, up, down, up, down, up lang yan. So, the best entry points will be 14. Pag binigyan kayo ng opportunity in the future, if may eToro kayo, at maglaro sa 15 and 14 yan si silver, bilhin nyo na. Okay? Ngayon, medyo mahal na siya, so it's not time to buy. So, ready your money lang. Ganun lang ang ginagawa for commodities. Best to do that. Aday, good morning, Sir Lloyd from Macau. I know when you're going. Planuhan po natin yan. Sabihin ko sa eToro, baka makapag-sponsor sila. Mark Callejo, sir, anong top 5 books na basa mo about stocks? Top 5 books about stocks. Hindi ako nagbasa ng libro sa stocks eh. Ang ano ko talaga is really talk to people who are already trading. Kasi mas maganda if kausapin mo. Kasi it's very complicated. Siguro I will recommend you join the seminar. Right? Everything you need to know to start in stocks, I have videos about that. It's already there. Sinishare ko na po yung best practices ko with you. Swiss Miss Fen po and Nickel, thank you po. Si Fen naman, may nag-shoutout kay Fen kanina. I don't know why, but let's see bakit. Ang taas. Taas na ni Fen pa rin. And I think, hirap. I don't want to play with stocks that are already up there. I cannot recommend that. And we just broke MA20, so that's a bad signal for Fen. And, Nickel, we just covered that already. Alco, we covered Alco already. Sir DNL, ISM, PXP. Kamustahin natin si DNL. Hopefully, mag-load na si DNL. Ayaw pa rin mag-load yung DNL. Still, pwede pang bilhin yan. Si PXP naman, medyo challenging to si PXP. Ayaw rin mag-load. Ayun. We are at resistance levels kay PXP. Everything is speculative right now. That's why I'm not really recommending PXP because of the speculative state of the stock right now. Medyo mataas na siya, malapit na siya sa resistance. So, all the more, hindi siya magandang paglaruan. Yan, you soon to be pastry chef. Sir, anong meron kay KPPI tumataas po ulit? I'm not really sure anong meron, but price action wise, if there's people who are buying it, then there is. Anyways, overall, KPPI is a good company. Best to wait for a pullback and bounce kung gusto niyo pumasok sa mga hindi pa nakapasok kay KPPI. Um, ano po ba magandang pasukan ngayon from Blaze Fernandez? I just posted my picks already for today. I'll post it again for you kung hindi mo nakuha. So, mga kakapasok lang. Andyan naman po sa video description yung picks ko for today. But there it is. Andyan po sa comments. John Vincent Pleto, sa akin nag-error din. Yeah, palya-palya sa Investograms ngayon. We'll do what we can na lang. LV Aquino, good morning Sir Lloyd. MRC, LR, AGI, DMC po, insights po. Thanks MRC. It's MRC. This is a solid support for MRC. Best to enter this support if you can. Ganda pa rin na support na yun. We have divergence already. Umakyat na ang momentum ni MRC. So, still good to buy MRC. Nirecommend ko rin yan noon. So far, holding naman yung support. LR, Lahira, yan si LR, breakout. Best to enter na breakout for LR. Then, AGI. Si AGI, ito, sa supports, dapat tayo pumapasok. Lumalapit na tayo sa resistance. So, breakout is the best or if makabalik na support yan, bilhin natin sa baba. Okay, AGI and DMC. Ito si DMC, lang araw ko na to nire-recommend pa ulit-ulit. DMC, buy the support for DMC. Dito tayo sa support bumili. Or breakout at the very least kung mag-breakout man yan si DMC. Providencio Sales, gumagana naman si Investograms. IDC po sir, si IDC, good job sa mga nakabili kay IDC who were able to anticipate it at the support. There it is. Hindi ko na-recommend si IDC kahapon kasi wala pa yung green di ba? But we are nearing, if you are watching IDC, if you like the company, it's your task to wait for it at support. Malapit din sa support. Anytime soon, magbabounce na yan, sabi ko sa inyo, di ba? And then there it is. Bumaba ang konti, lumapit sa support, and then started bouncing. That would have been a buy already. And if you bought that, napakabonggang panalo for IDC yesterday. So this is the power of support. And then, sana nahuli ninyo. Congratulations. Right now, it's already way up there. I don't want to recommend that anymore. Pag-iwanan na tayo ng barko. Sir, how about Chelsea? What are your thoughts? Chelsea is a good company. Grabe investments nila ngayon. Bumibili ng barko, ng mga companies dito sa Cebu. Chelsea has been number 1 na when it comes to shipping. Yung mga malalaking shipping, binili na nila. Si TransAsia, under na nila. Light shipping is under them already. So, those are very profitable shipping alliance here in Cebu, papunta Mindanao, nakuha na nila. And they're already part of Tugo. Most probably si Tugo, makukuha nila yan in the future. I would say Chelsea is gonna be very good in the future. Froilan Oliveira, sir, paano po kaya yung ATN? ATN is for long term for me. Sir, pa-check naman po si SPN. Right, Uy, very good. Very good momentum. Kaso nga lang, palapit na tayo mag-oversold. So, wait for the pullback and bounce kasi sobrang exaggerated ng galaw niya. Maunin, Sir Lloyd, CHP. Thanks. Si CHP, gusto ko i-recommend kanina Right? Very good for CHP. Kaso nga lang, again, my system, guys, sa mga nag-aabang kay CHP, this is a good entry point for CHP. Okay? Support and then starting to go up na yung niya. Pwede nang bilhin ito. Hindi ko lang nire-recommend yan. It's against my trading system. Medyo outside sa watchlist ko yan si CHP because fundamentally speaking, shaky pa rin siya. Gerald Bonaventura, plus pala, isa sa reason bakit ko tinanggal si CHP sa lista ko today. It's already a buy for me according to technical analysis. It's just that may impending FOO, follow-on offering si CHP, and that's gonna flood the supplies again of the stocks in CHP, and when there is much supply, most probably stocks go down. So yeah, that's gonna be very challenging for CHP. That's why I removed it in my recommendations. Gerald Bonaventura, good morning Sir Lloyd from Dubai. Please insights po kay AC. Thank you AC. I recommended AC a few days back. One of the best companies to catch the bottom habang nasa baba pa yan. This is a very nice price for AC, for a very good company. So yeah, okay pa rin yan si AC for me. Michelle Baltimore, IDC po sir, masyado mataas na. Bogs Balmes, CHP, we just covered that. Tumaas na PCOR, sir. Yes, tumaas na si PCOR. We were talking about PCOR past few days. Swerte kasi nagmahal. Yeah, I wanna talk about that. Baka mag-uptrend ito or not, di ba? But the problem is I don't wanna back on the uptrend. Pero technical analysis wise, it has reached its bottom already, 'di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, ang ganda ng bottom na ito technical analysis wise, and then there it is, umakyat siya. Kaso nga lang, fundamentally speaking, ayoko po ma-FOMO. If it's against my trading system, I don't wanna play with it. Simple as that. Trading system kasi natin is I only play with fundamentally good companies. Right now, fundamentally speaking, medyo shaky si Shell at saka si Petron. Umangat siya dahil sa mamahal ang oil. So, most probably, that's gonna boost their sales up. But then again, problema na ito is, ang pagbili nila ng oil is magmamahal din. So, basically, this is just gonna be break-even in their, ngayon lang, araw nito, ang laki ng sales nila. Ang daya ni Shell kahapon. So, what I did was, nagpa-full tank ako sa sasakyan namin. Hindi nila ginawang available yung diesel na mura. Sabi nila, hindi na-deliver, sir. They did not sell it out kasi tinago nila yan. Kasi ngayon, magmamahal ang oil because of the spike in the prices yesterday. So, they're gonna sell it today. Ang daya nga eh. Diba? So, but that's gonna boost their sales. At least, nabili nila ng mura, benta nila ng mahal today. Right? That's their strategy. Sadly, that's gonna boost their earnings for this month most probably. But then again, mahal po ang mabibili nilang susunod na stock. So, moving forward, magbe-break even din naman magpa-plateau rin yung earnings nila. So, I wouldn't bank on an uptrend really that much. But technical analysis wise, this is good. Okay, right now there's a good spike. Maybe it's gonna start. Let's follow it. Let's follow the trend, especially Shell PH, LPH, because without the news, umaakyat pa rin si Shell PH, and there it is, nag-spike up. Just follow this trend for Shell PH. Okay. Renetado. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. How about Sheng? Alright, SHNGH. Ayaw na naman mag-load. Ayan, Sheng. Di ko kasi alam ang fundamentals ng company nito eh. But if you like this company, there it is. We have an uptrend line, short-term uptrend line right there. Yan po i-follow ninyo. But then again, focus on stocks na nasa baba pa. Nakalipad na po yan. CLI, Sir Lloyd, Sibulan Masters, one of my favorite stocks right now. Sorry. Right, CLI. Recommended CLI here. Lumilipad na. Let's wait for the pullback and next bounce. Maybe at AB20. For CLI. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay CLI when I recommended it. ABA po, sir. Thanks si ABA. Na-cover na natin to kanina. Masyado mataas si ABA for me. Let's see. In the future, wala pa akong magkitang buy signal for ABA. Edward, sir, Intel and J&J po, US market. Si Intel, very good company. Intel inside. Intel Corp. There it is. Short lang ng pullback niya. Breakout po. Pag nag-breakout yan, breakout strategy for Intel. J&J naman, yes, maganda pa rin yung trend ni J&J. So, abangan natin sa support. Hopefully, we can get a higher low for J&J. Pag nag-green yan, definitely get in. I'm gonna be getting in J&J also. Naabangan ko lang yung green niya. Sir, good morning po. CPG time check. It's 9:12. Right? CPG. Yan. By the support of CPG, maakyat na yung RSI niya. So, that's a good signal for CPG. ATN, long-term yan. PNB, LTG. This is from Mark Callejo, PNB. Si PNB, ang ganda ng bottom nito eh. Right? Nagsisimula na umakyat. So, this is good for me. We have a support right here. Just follow the trend line na ginagawa ni PNB right now. PNB is a good company. Next kay PNB is LTG. And may nag-question about LTG. Si Mark Callejo pa rin. Yeah, LTG. This is a good uptrend for LTG. Use the MA20 as your support. Edward, yun. Tapos na tayo dyan. Trafalgar Law. Newbie here. Si Trafalgar Law ng One Piece. Good morning, Trafalgar. Yeah, guys, this is the reason why I want you to share the a little request from our end. Please share the video. Paki-share po ito sa Facebook walls ninyo and sa mga trading groups ninyo para naman po ang mga newbies doon like Trafalgar Law malaman po nila na may program na ganito na makakatulong sa stock market journey nila. John Vincent Pleto, sir, what's your top 3 picks or recommendations mo for today? SMPH, MWC, and FB. Those are my top 3 picks sa mga recommendations ko. Ganyan naman gasoline stations na go hard. O nga kahapon sana hindi ko na sayang nakapag full tank sana ako nung mura. Right, yung mahal lang na diesel ang ina-available nila. Best DIY, good morning sir, Lloyd, insights on MER, sell na po ba? Si MER naman, ni-recommend ko ito on the supports and starting to go up already. If you're already happy with your earnings, you can sell a portion of it. Congratulations po. Ilang beses ko yan dinikdik sa inyo si MER. Dito pa lang yan. Then, ni-recommend ko ulit yan. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay MER. If you see weakness, you can sell half, right? Ngayon, may momentum ba siya? Baka umakyat pa yan today. But if it's gonna stop red today, just sell half. Okay? Atomic Trader, Sir LR, na-cover na natin yan. Si Tugs naman. Si Tugs, bonggang support right now. So, if ever we go green kay Tugs, pag nag-green yan, that's the best time to enter Tugs. John Vincent, Sir, insights mo kay SRPT sa international market. I don't know the company. Earnings-wise, ganda naman pala ng earnings ni SRPT. Right, I wanna learn more about the company. But technical analysis-wise, we are at oversold levels. This is good. This is a good support. SRPT, sulat ko nga ito. Baka magandang pasukin to later. Right, this is a good find. Ganda ng technical analysis nito, John Vincent. Right, I'm gonna read about this company today. If ever maganda ito, I will buy this. Technical analysis wise. Atomic Trader Philippines, good morning. FLI and FEN. Si FEN masyadong mataas na. FLI, si FLI naman medyo humina kaagad But overall, hard to say. Pag nag-breakout na lang si FLI, saka natin pasukin. Picks for eToro today. And tingnan niyo po si SRPT. I will recommend this stock today. If ever tingnan ko nga ito kung meron ito sa SRPT. And meron naman. So excuse me. Let's look at the research of SRPT. This is one of the beauty of eToro. There is a research. Everything is a buy right now. All the analysts are saying buy. I'd buy this today, right? Even the lowest estimates is still a gain. Okay, so I'll buy SRPT for today. Hedgings, nag-reduce nga lang sila, pero baka noon pa ito. Insiders bought. So, mga insider bumibili. So, I'd say yes, this is a buy for today. Even all the analysts are saying it's a buy. So, why not? Okay, FNI po, Sir Lloyd. Good find again. This is from John Vincent, di ba? Si John Vincent ba nakahanap na SRPT? SRPT, I'm gonna buy that today. Jail Villagracia picks for eToro today. This is my pick for today. Jerwin Marasigan, FNI po. FNI. Last lang ito. So, FNI. Okay, so FNI, masyadong mataas na for me. I don't want to recommend this anymore. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you got a lot. Pasensya na, nagka-problema tayo sa charting today. But anyways, market is looking well. A few ticks na lang and we're gonna do a breakout and hopefully we can move up from there. So 8,000, hopefully mag-break today. I think it's gonna break today. Hopefully. Right? Hindi naman ako manghuhula, but I just think so. That's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. As always, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.